Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a bucket of fried chicken. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bucket of fried chicken, we're going to begin by making the bucket. So I want to start right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come across. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're just going to make another line across, so it looks like we have a long, skinny rectangle. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And over here, we want to draw another line that's going to come down. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come across to connect it. Now, starting up here, we want to draw a couple pieces of fried chicken. So one of the first things I'm going to do is, starting here, I'm just going to make kind of like a bumpy line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to come down here. Now, starting right here, I want to draw a line that's going to come up, and another one that comes up, and you can see these are kind of bumpy and wavy. Next, we're going to make a little zigzag line across to connect it. Starting here, let's make two straight lines that come up. You want to make a line that's going to curve around, and another one over here to connect it. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It'll be kind of bumpy again. It's going to come out here at a diagonal. Then it's going to come up and down here, so it kind of looks like a wing. Now, I want to put a couple pieces of chicken up here too, kind of like they're falling out, or they're kind of falling in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw kind of like a bumpy line that's going to go around, and then it's going to come back in. I'm going to make a little zigzag line. Next, we're going to make two little lines that go up. And I'll make a curved line here and a curved line here to connect it. Now, starting right here, let's make another kind of little bumpy line. I'll draw another one here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and up for another chicken wing. Now, I'm going to add one more little chicken wing over here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And we'll make another one that's going to come up. We'll draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go up here. Now, inside all of these pieces of chicken, I'm going to add just a couple little curvy, kind of wavy lines in here for some detail. So I like to kind of start on an end and just kind of draw a little line. You can just kind of put them all over. And this is just going to add a little bit of detail and some texture to there. Now, on our bucket of fried chicken, just to make it kind of fun, I'm going to add a face. Right here, I'm going to make a smile or a circle shape for an eye. We'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle shape over here for an eye. Next, I'll put a black dot inside each one for the pupil. I'm going to make a little smiley face here. And then we'll make a big curved line right around here for a mouth. I'll add a little curved line for a tongue. And then I'll add a couple little bumps for some teeth in here. Then I'm just going to color this in. You don't have to add the teeth, but I just thought I might try something different and add a few little teeth in there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bucket of chicken. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.